As per the most recent long-haul gauge, Ethereum cost will hit $2,000 toward the finish of 2023 and afterward $5,000 toward the finish of 2032. Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024 Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,793.62. So the cost expanded by half from the outset of the year. The gauge Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,100 and the year-to-year change plus 76%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 17%. In 2023, we hope to see $1,825 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $2,578. In the final part, the cost would lose $76 and close the year at $2,502, which is plus 39% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months: Thursday, May 25th, $1,794. Friday, May 26th, $1,795. Saturday, May 27th, $1,796. Sunday, May 28th, $1,797. Monday, May 29th, $1,798. Tuesday, May 30th, $1,799. Wednesday, May 31st, $1,800. Thursday, June 1st, $1,800. June 15th, $1,812. July 15th, $1,847. August 15th, $1,894. September 15th, $1,940. October 15th, $1,985. November 15th, $2,031. Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,502 to $3,853, which is up 54%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,502, then, at that point, take off to $2,633 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $2,279. That implies plus 27% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Ethereum cost would ascend from $3,853 to $6,029, which is plus 56%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $3,853, then take off to $4,084 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $4,314. It is about plus 141% from today. Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024 Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,848.26. So the cost expanded by 55% from the very outset of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,183 and the year-to-year change plus 83%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 18%. In 2023, we hope to see $1,897 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $2,680. In the final part, the cost would lose $79 and close the year at $2,601, which is plus 41% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $2,601 to $4,006, which is up 54%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $2,601, then take off to $2,737 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $2,369. That implies plus 28% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Ethereum cost would ascend from $4,006 to $6,267, which is plus 56%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $4,006, then, at that point, take off to $4,246 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $4,485. It is about plus 143% from today. 04/15/2023 Ethereum value expectation 2023 to 2024 Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,090.31. So the cost expanded by 75% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $3,724 and the year-to-year change plus 212%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 78%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,775 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $3,949. In the final part, the cost would add $48 and close the year at $3,997, which is plus 91% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $3,997 to $6,669, which is up 67%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $3,997. Then, at that point, take off to $4,716 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $5,423. That implies plus 159% from today. Ethereum expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $6,669 to $8,593, which is plus 29%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $6,669. Then, at that point, take off to $7,069 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at $6,671. It is about plus 219% from today. 0401 2023 Ethereum value forecast 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,827.88. So the cost expanded by 53% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2023 is $2,823, and the year-to-year change plus 137%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 54%. In 2023, we hope to see $2,104 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2024, the Ethereum cost will move to $2,993. In the last part, the cost would add $36 and close the year at $3,029, which is plus 66% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $3,029 to $5,053, which is up 67%. Ethereum will begin 2025 at $3,029. Then, at that point, take off to $3,574 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $4,110. That implies plus 125% from today. Ethereum forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $5,053 to $6,510, which is plus 29%. Ethereum will begin 2030 at $5,053, then take off to $5,356 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $5,055. It is about plus 177% from today. 0315 2023 Ethereum value forecast 2023 to 2024. Ethereum cost began in 2023 at $1,193.48. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $1,709.30.